This is Yuna. She's 26 years old. Yuna was a charming and lovely lady. Yes, she was. She misses the person she used to be. So, Yuna, do you want to be attractive, energetic, and confident like back then?
Yes, of course.
What are the biggest challenges we face today? It includes stressful working life, emotional problems, and premature aging. If you're looking for the key to youthful cellular function, 14 Days iSolution program will answer your call. Dietary fruit juice, a functional fruity blend rich in dietary fiber, and dietary meal shake, your whey protein beverage fortified with complete nutrition. What you can expect is a thorough cleanup. It cleanses your blood, colon, and liver to get rid of toxins and impurities in the body. Nutria activates cell biochemical function and boosts up whole body metabolism. Lean Up, the key element for fat burning and staying in shape. Isho is more than a healthy beverage blend. In fact, it's a functional beverage formulated with low GI. Let's shake up in a whole new direction. Let's do it. Anytime, anywhere. So, Yuna, how do you feel right now?
Just see it for yourself.
It's iSolution to be young.